Well, hello there, crafting family. I hope everyone is doing great today, and thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. So, on the weekend, I didn't really feel like crafting, which is rare for me, but I know I've told you guys that I really need to use my beads a lot more. So, I started to make dangle beads. I think that's what they're called. Anyway, so I made a lot of them, and these are bigger ones. They have the bigger beads on there, and I'm just gonna go show you a few. So I made the little butterflies, and this one has the little tulip at the end, and here's that one. I like this one. This one's really pretty. So I made a variety of colors because, like I said, I wanted to start using them. Look here, look at this one. How pretty is this one? Oh, just love that one. So pretty. So I made a whole bunch of different ones with various beads that I had. So these are bigger ones. This one is a little angel. I know you guys have seen this one. So I made a whole bunch of different ones. These are, like I said, bigger ones. So there's no excuse for me not to use them. And then I also made some smaller ones. These are typically just one bead. This one is a flower. I mean, this is typically one bead with some seed beads at the end. So these are just, random beads that I can hang on, like bows, or just, it's not an actual dangle. So that's why these beads are kind of small. Yeah, so I made, as you can see, I made a lot of them. Like I said, there is no excuse if I don't use these. And another thing that I did was I took my sequins and I made sequins beads. So these are so adorable. I just love these. So I made some pink ones, and all I did here was put a seed bead at the end. And these little beads come from Dollar Tree, and I don't have very many seed beads, so I went ahead and used the ones from Dollar Tree. I had one package, and this one is a combination of a pearl and the sequins. These sequins come from Hobby Lobby. These are the sequins that are in that spring mix. So some of them have just a little bead, and then others have a larger bead. This one is a little dangle bead. So there's that one, and this one was in my stash. I don't know where I got it. And these tiny little sequins are little flowers that I just stacked together, and I thought that was really cute. So I just made a variety. This one has the sequins in the middle with the glass beads around it. And then so that's basically this one. I like this one. This one's so cute. I think I'm gonna make more of these, but these are pretty time consuming. Here's another one. Those are so cute. I just love those. So these are the sequin mix beads. And then I also have some, I forgot what they're called. It starts with an H, but I forgot what they're called. I really like these. They do feel kind of rubbery. I don't know what they're made out of, but they feel rubbery. So I made some beads with these, and here are those. And these were the last ones I made, so I only made a few because I was pretty much done making beads after all of this. So there are those. And then what I did with some are buttons. Some of them are, like, for example, this is the little eggs, that we get from Hobby Lobby. There are these, and all I did with these guys was I drilled a hole I'm not afraid of the drill. So I drilled a hole and I put a large ring on it with some seed beads, and I called it a day. So these will look cute on a dangle as well, I think. These are some flowers. These were actually buttons, and I just cut off the shank on the back and drilled a hole and made it into a charm. So there are those, and I'm going to do the same with these, but I like the little eggs. Those are so adorable. So that's what I did with these. And what I liked the most were my egg beads. So I got a package of the pastel eggs from Hobby Lobby. Of course, they were on sale. And because I thought they were so cute because they're so tiny. And I wanted to do something with them. So what I did was I made me some egg dangles. Aren't those cute? Again, they have seed beads. They have little sequins mix. Not all of them have the sequins. But look at that. Aren't those cute? And they are so stinking easy to make. So I'm going to make one with you guys. So let me show you what you're going to need for that. Of course, you're going to need your egg. Here, you need your egg. You need a pin long enough to go through your egg. And these are really long ones that I have, but you know, it's the longest. The other ones that I have are really short and they didn't fit. Of course, you need some sequins. You need a couple of seed beads. So what I did was I took my pokey tool, and on the bottom of the egg, it has your center marked already, because I guess that's from the manufacturing. That's how they get their egg on or off the machine. So all I did was poke a hole right through that center mark, okay? And then I came around and just guesstimated the top. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I just guessed where the top was at, and I poked a hole through there as well. And then I took, I mean, you can string it this way if you just want the egg, but I didn't. I wanted something else. So I took a seed bead and I strung the seed bead first, and then I took a couple of sequins, and it's cupped this way, so it'll go around the egg. So I just did a couple of those, and so I did a couple of those, and then you know what? I think I'm gonna do a gold on top of that. I don't know if it's gonna show. I doubt it, but so you know, of course, you string whatever you want on there, and then I poke my pin through the bottom of the hole. And then you can kind of see where it's hard to tell on camera, but you can kind of see where your pin is going. But if not, you can see it from the top, and you know, it's pretty straight, so you're not going to have a problem. So poke it through the bottom, and then poke it through the top, and then push it down. And then again, you add in reverse order. You can't see the gold, but I'm going to put it in there anyway. So I did a gold, I did the purple, and another purple. And then after that, I did my bead. So my top looks like the bottom. Okay, and that's all you need for this. So then I took I used my fingernail. Okay, you can use your tool, which is better, to fold this over. Okay. So I am going to fold this over. I'm still using my nail. Okay, so just fold it over right there where your bead meets your egg. Okay, and then this is too long, so I'm going to cut it off probably about, I don't know, almost ½ an inch. So once you start making these, you know, you kind of know how far to cut. So I'm going to cut up to right there. And then I'm going to take my needle nose pliers, and I'm going to bend that over. So I put it right at the edge there, and I'm still holding this because your bead can come out. So I'm just gonna put it right at the edge, and I'm gonna turn this. There you go. There's your dangle. And if you feel like it's a little crooked, you can just adjust it. And there you go. Really, really quick. That looks so adorable. I just love that. So hopefully, you know, and the eggs are on sale right now. Of course, you know, Hobby Lobby has 40% off of everything. So this was like $1.79. Everything else you probably have in your stash. So you get 24 pieces. So you get 24 dangles for $1.79, which is really good. So I have a lot of them here, and I am ready for Easter or spring. And there we go. Really super simple, really fast. I mean, I like made these and I wanted to make more, but I didn't have any more. So I went the other day to Hobby Lobby and I got me another package. Shouldn't make more, so I'm gonna just hang on to that one. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was inspiring. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Y'all have a good day.